Hi guys, I am Ishasha Rose. I have created this video to promote author Ishasha. She's author, writer and publisher. She has completed her graduation from the one of the best universities at United States. She is author, inspirational speaker, writer and publisher. Till now she has written 8 titles of her books which are following: Fashion Diaries, Fashionista, Inspiration Me, I Choose Me, Mindfulness and Stress Relief, Be a Dreamer, Confidence Produces a Strength, Positive Affirmations, The Magic of Thinking Big, Give Rise to Faith, and Precious Daily Insights. You will find all of her titles on Amazon.com website by searching Isha Shah. The spell is AESHASHAH. My today's broadcast is all about create positive difference in the world. Guys, it's about author Isha Shah's second book, Inspiration Me, I Choose Me, which targets each and every age group of the people, and I'm providing short review of her second book, Inspiration Me, I Choose Me. June 11. You can't stay in your corner of the forest waiting for others to come to you. You have to go to them sometimes. Weeds are flowers too. Once you get to know them, you are braver than you believe, and stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think. Every one of us hopes secretly for immorality. June 12. You shouldn't cry to see end results. You should smile because it happened. Be yourself. Everyone else is already taken. Two things are boundless: the universe and human foolishness. And I am not sure about the world. Be who you are and say what you feel. So many books, so little time. June 13. A room without a book is like a body without a spirit and a psyche. If you wanted to know what a man is like, take a good look at how he treats his inferiors, not his equals. If you tell the truth and speak honestly, you do not have to remind yourself of anything. Always pardon your nemesis. Nothing irritates them so much. Live as if you were to die tomorrow. June 14. Learn as if you were to live forever. Without music, life would be a mistake. Do not take life too seriously. You will never get out of your life alive at the end. To achieve in life, you need a desire, a hope, and an enlightenment. June 15. Idleness is nothing more than the manner of relaxing before you get exhausted. We are all here on earth to help others. What on earth the others are here for, I don't know. There are only three things women need in life: beauty, charms, and compliments. Everything has a good humor as long as it is happening to somebody else. No man has a good enough memory to be a successful liar. Okay, guys, I am nothing of author Isha Shah. Each and every copyrights are under her authority. I purchased her 8 book titles, read it, and inspired my life. And I wanted you guys to do not miss out on reading these beautiful books. You guys will love it. For more info, check a link below. See ya, guys. Take care. I love you all. Have a great moments of your life. May God bless you all. Amen.